I had to cut a hole in the door, but I got the door open. Yeah! Okay, that's enough of that. What's up, guys? Back again with another rebuild video. This time, just like last time, it is a 2008 BMW 335Xi. Smashed, written off, needs to be repaired. Check it out. So, like I said, BMW 335i Xi 2008, hit a deer, total loss. All the damage is basically just cosmetic because it did just hit a deer. I've already taken it for the first inspection, and they backed that theory up, telling me that, yeah, this is all just cosmetic damage. The only other thing they found wrong with the entire car is it needs rear brake pads, and one of the calipers is not functioning properly, so that will need to be replaced as well. So a very, very short list. How do I know it hit a deer? I know it hit a deer because of this right here. There's some deer fur, or whatever you would call that. So what are we going to do with this? We're going to fix it. I don't know if you've seen the last rebuild series I did. I fixed another 335i sedan. So I still have a parts car left over that actually has basically all the good parts. A hood, a fender, a door, a mirror. Only thing I had to do is order a bumper and the brake parts, like I said, and there those are. So we're basically ready to roll on this. Let's go take a look at the parts car. Ta-da! Yeah, parts car. So yeah, check it out. Here it is. We're gonna use the hood. We're gonna use the fender. We're gonna use the mirror. We're gonna use the door. We're gonna use anything else that we can. And then this is still actually a running and driving car. So I mean, that will get sold when we're done with that too. What's up, guys? So I finally got some time to work on this Beamer project here. So I'm going to start by just taking off everything that's damaged. When we really get into it, we'll find out what's all really broken and we'll take it all off. So that's where we're going to start. Alright, let's do it. Off the bumper support rebar. Okay, so I couldn't find any good videos on how to remove the actual hood latch on a 07 3 Series BMW. So there's some videos that give you an overview, but to actually get this cable disconnected it takes a bit of know-how. So first off, you just undo all 6 bolts. First off, these ones loosen the actual latch, and then these for the actual bracket that holds the latch. So to do this, we're just going to loosen all of them. That guy's just going to hang there. Pop them all right out. We need to do that to get access to the back of the latch to remove the cable, since we need to remove the whole header panel because it's damaged and won't pass inspection without it. So okay, so there's clips and stuff to get rid of that. Bag and tag that. Ooh. You can see the actual cable goes in there. You just want to pop off up and over a little latch on the inside. Okay, so there's a little cable end there. Just push it up and over. There we go. Popped it out that way. Oh, no, not really. That takes a bit. Slide it forward. And you can see what I'm doing now. Just get this little cable over the edge of that so it's free. And then that will just pop out just like that. Boom, ta-da. Here's your latch all off. Now that those hood latches have been removed, you can slide the, pop the So yeah, it's starting to look really taken apart. There's nothing left up front, just floating radiator. We gotta keep going. Fender and door and mirror and all that shit's gotta come off. Hood. Well, the door won't open from the accident, inside or outside, so that will be fun to try and figure out how to do that. Can't take the fender out without getting the door open. Can't get the door open because the handle's not working and it's stuck closed, so, well, have to take the panel off from the inside, or since the door is junk, maybe I'll just cut a hole right in the outside of the door. Anyways, till then, guess I'm going to try and pop the hood off here. One-man styles. I'm just going to loosen this off and throw it on the ground, I guess. I should have left that. Oh, shit, buddy. You're free. Now what are we going to do with it? So check it out. The door just won't open. Won't open from the inside, won't open from the outside. I don't know why it won't open. It just won't open. So my strategy is drill a hole in this. Take this little guy. And cut us some door apart. Find out why. Woo, that's loud on my ears. Let's try it. There it is. Woo! I had to cut a hole in the door, but I got the door open. Yeah! Okay, that's enough of that. Okay, back to taking the fender off. Now that I can get the door open. There we go. Primo. Oh!